I am FXDLS Brooklyn, and I am a certified mile crusher. Real miles start with real riding gear, and whether it be riding cross country or to the coffee shop, First MFG has had my back since day one. I'm excited to announce that First MFG is actively looking for new members to join the team. If you're someone who does motorcycle content at any scale, you should consider applying today by following these simple steps. First, start by going over to Shopify Collabs and make yourself an account. Then, find First MFG on there and click apply. After that, shoot First MFG an email with a couple pieces of gear that you'd be interested in putting some miles on and testing out. It's that simple. So yeah, at the end of the day, we are a team of riders who share a passion for all things two wheels. Join the winning team today. Let us know if you have any questions, and if not, we'll catch you on the road soon. FXDLS Brooklyn is out.